All right, here comes the fun part of trig. So we're going to find the measures of all sorts of things, and we're going to use the reference angle. So really, I am just going to, like, I've got my 0, my 90, my 180, my 270, but from there I'm going to have my 30s. So like your 30 degrees are going to look like this. Oh, that's a little off, but it's close. Okay, my 45 degrees are going to be like that. And then my 60 degrees are going to look like that. So every time I do one of these, I'm going to draw a picture. And as I draw this, this is going to help me. So I'm always going to start, hold on. I'm going to draw like a little T, which is my unit. It's really my unit circle. It doesn't have the circle on there, but basically it just gives me my quadrants, right? Okay. Then I'm going to think 150. Well, 150 is a 30-degree angle. And if you're like, what? How do you know that's a 30-degree angle? Well, because it's, that's not the color I wanted. It's 30 degrees. It's right here. So that's a 30-degree angle. Okay. So what do I know about my 30s? I know that it's like wider than it is tall. So that means that's going to give me a square root of 3/2 and a 1/2. So I'm going to write that every time. Now, one of those is negative because it's over there. So the x is negative. Okay. Then it says, all right, what is the sine? Sine is the y value. So your solution is 1/2. Next one, tangent of 300. 300, well, that's 60 away from 360, so that's a 60 degree. And my 60s, those look like this, so it's going to be this one down here. Those are my 60-degree angles, and I know my 60s are over 1/2 and square root of 3/2 because it's shorter in the x direction than it is in the y direction. Now, one of those is going to be negative. The 1/2 is positive, square root of 3/2 is negative. Okay, then it asks the tangent. So I'm going to draw like kind of where all of my reference angles, I'm going to write down the point, and then I'm going to go from there. So tangent is opposite over adjacent, so y over x. So negative square root of 3/2 over 1/2. Okay, the 2's simplify to 1, so I get negative square root of 3 over 1, but the over 1 is not important. All right, cosine 225. 225 is going to be a 45-degree angle. So 225 is going to be 45 off of 180, so it's this one. I love my 45-degree angles. Square root of 2/2, square root of 2/2. Because it's down in the third quadrant, both of those are negative, right? Okay, then it asks me the cosine. Cosine is my x value, so negative root 2/2. All right, cotangent. That's the tangent upside down. Okay, so 315. Well, this is 360. Oh, that's a 45. See how perfect that is? Ugh. Okay, it's this one down here. And that is square root 2/2, square root 2/2. Then I figure out the signs, positive, negative. So do you see how if I write this down every time, draw the picture, the memorization piece just comes because you're using it over and over and over again. It's just like softball season is starting and we just take ground balls and ground balls and ground balls and ground balls and ground balls because your body just needs to like remember how to do that. And as you just take good quality reps, that's what helps you to be able to just do it automatically, which is we're looking for the automaticity of being able to do these things. Okay, so cotangent. I know tangent is y over x, so cotangent must be x over y. I'm going to write that down. X over y. So x is root 2/2. Y is negative root 2/2. So my solution is -1. I meant to make that red. Okay, tangent 240. 240. That's 240 is 60 away. That's a 60. Oh, what color did I do 60s? Okay. So that's down here. And the ordered pair of that is 1/2 square root 3 over 2. Negative, negative. Okay, so tangent y over x. So negative 3, or square root 3 over 2 over negative 1/2. So my solution is positive, because the tangent will be positive down there, root 3. All right, last one for this video. Next video, we will do them in radians. Same process, just called something different. Okay, secant of 300. We already decided we did 300. Okay, so 300 is, 60, so that's down here. So 1/2 root 3 over 2, and that's a negative. Okay, so secant is cosine upside down. Well, the cosine is your x value, so cosine is 1/2. So therefore secant is 2. All right, let's make sure that I got all of those right before I turn off the video, just to see if I've made any mistakes. Make sure, am I right? Boom, they're all right. Yay! Come back for the next video and we'll do radians. Same process, just called different things. All right, see you soon.